Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the remote and the TV on. Start now. Press Home or Settings and navigate straight to All Settings, then Accessibility. Once there, focus on the Closed Captions area. This is where TV-level caption controls live. Make sure you note whether your TV lists closed captions, subtitles, or audio and subtitles, because labels vary by WebOS version. Once found, you're ready to change the on/off control. That's the next step. You now toggle captions off inside the Accessibility or Subtitles menu. Select Closed Captions or Subtitles and switch Caption to Off, then Apply or back out to save. This removes TV-generated captions. If your remote has a CC button, try it for a faster toggle. Note: streaming apps like Netflix or Prime override TV captions. Make sure to open the app subtitle menu and turn subtitles off there as well. Once done, captions should be gone across input sources under TV control. You should exit Settings and Test by changing channels and inputs to confirm captions stayed off. If captions persist on HDMI or cable, disable closed captions on the connected set-top box or Blu-ray player, because external devices often supply captions. If problems continue, make sure your TV firmware is up to date and then reset accessibility to defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the TV and the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.